Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the hard drive, unlatch and remove the system's base cover. Then, unlatch and remove the front bezel from the system. Find the front panel and flip it over. Identify the hard drive and disconnect the cables. Unlatch and lift the hard drive out of the system. To reinstall the hard drive, place it back in the system and relatch it. Reconnect the cables, flip the front panel, and secure the front bezel and base cover on the system. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.